plant is it?
So this plant here is moringa, and you can see the different parts or components of the plant. And firstly, let's just look at over here, you can see the white colored flowers and the green colored leaves, of course. But you can also note the seed pod parts, which is a type of fruit, which is another important part that many plants have. And then, of course, the branch, which is the stem part of the plant.
Okay. Do you know you can eat that pod?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the pod like a fruit. We can make like a Thai soup, like แกงส้มมะรุมนักเรียนคะเราสามารถที่จะทำผลมันเนี่ยคือต้นมะรุมเนี่ยไปทำอาหารได้นะคะ and we go to downstairs to look at about roots.
Now we're back down on the ground. We were just standing over there before. And there's another very important part of the plant that we haven't talked about yet, and that is the roots. R-O-O-T-S. So we can't see the roots right now because the roots are hiding under the ground. But if we pulled that plant out, you could then see the roots. Going back to the moringa plant, and inside those big pods, you can then find the seeds hiding inside. So we've taken some seeds out of one of the pods.
ย้ายมุมนะคะเมื่อกี้ชาวเวอร์มานะคะเปียกนะคะ Okay, teacher.
All right. So let's again look at all of the parts or components here. So obviously our favorite part of this plant is the flower here. So very famous blue butterfly pea color. And again we have the leaves. That's quite easy. And we have the climbing style of stem. So connecting to the leaves.
ก็คือมันเป็นแบบไม้เลื้อยไงคะลำต้นไม่ได้แบบตั้งตรง
And then down underground, we can't see right now, but it will have the roots down under the ground. So if you pull the plant out up from under the ground, you could then see the roots.
ก็คือพืชบางชนิดมีรากแน่นอนแต่ว่ารากมันอยู่ใต้ดินเราก็เลยไม่เห็นรากของมันแล้วก็ butterfly pea at the pot some pot we can see some seeds.
Let's try and find one. There we go. Inside.
They have seed inside. Wow. Teacher Owen, have you eat custard apple before?
No, I haven't tried custard apple yet.
This one, it's a fruit. Noina, you see, we have some fruit.
And up there, yeah.
But I can't see the flowers. Maybe when they have fruit, the flower is gone.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, the custard apple is like a bit sweet. You need to try this. Okay, you show them a part of plants.
Okay. So obviously we have the fruit, the custard apple itself, part of the plant. We have the stem, like this. Let me climb up. And then over here, stem part. The leaves are very, very important. So right now this plant doesn't have any flowers that we can find right now, but it will have flowers at other times. And then of course under the ground, we can't see it, but under the ground it will have roots as well.
But they have seed inside, look. Oh, some squirrel. Yeah, they have seed inside.
So I think maybe some squirrel came and ate some of the fruit, I think.
You want to taste one?
Maybe not this one, maybe one over there, I think.
Oh, when do you know this?
So this one is cork wood tree.
Yeah, อันนี้ดอกแคร and you know you can eat this.
Oh, I didn't know you could eat it.
It's a flower. You can make a flower to like a Thai soup. It's like
Okay.
gang som. It's a gang som dog.
Okay.
And you show them. They have flower. It means they have some fruit.
Yep, so this is the flower we can see. Now let's try and find a fruit somewhere. Let's have a look. Okay, I have a very tiny one here. Ah, this is a better one here. So this part here, very small on this plant. That's the fruit part there. Inside, you will have the seeds again, inside. Have the leaves. And then close to the leaves, we have the stem in the middle. The leaves here and then the stem. And yep, so under again we'll have the roots underground. We can't see because they're hiding underground, the roots.
Wow, inside this they have some pollen. What kind is this?
So this is a different type of plant. This is called a fern.
The fern have flower?
So this is a different classification or category of plants. So all of the other plants we saw already, those are all flowering plants. So they will have flowers and fruit. This is a type of non-flowering plant. So this has no flowers and no fruit.
Look at this. What it is?
So underneath, you can see it will have spores here. So this plant does not have seeds, this has spores instead. So this is to reproduce to make new baby plants that will then grow up later.